Hello students, this is lecture 3 of chapter 2. In this lecture I am going to tell you about the sorting option in Excel. What is sorting in Excel? Generally, sorting is used for arranging data in a specific order. A specific order means either in the increasing order or decreasing order. Let us do the practical of sorting. So you will open Excel. So click the start button or directly type in the search box Excel. You will get here Excel app. Click the Excel app. Now this is the starting screen of the Excel. So on this screen you have to select blank workbook. Click the blank workbook. This screen will appear in front of you. This is the worksheet. So in this worksheet we have to maintain data on which we can perform sorting option. Before maintaining data, firstly I am going to increase the size of the rows and columns. So firstly you have to select whole sheet. After that, where heading is appeared, from there you will drag lines between the heading. So the size of the rows and column will be increased. I maintain data here like this. Here I am going to increase the size of the text. So firstly select the text, and now you can increase or decrease the size of the text from here. Click the arrow button and you will get all the sizes. Here take as per the requirement. So I took 14. Now it will be better. Now I selected heading only and I applied on this one bold, and even I changed color also of this one. You can change color, light color. Now you can see here that I have maintained here data in the random order. So now I want to arrange the names in alphabetical order. So how will you arrange the names in alphabetical order? So you will firstly select whole data. After that, for sorting data in increasing or decreasing order, you will click the home tab. In home tab you will get the option here sort and filter. Click the sort and filter option, and two options are here, sort A to Z and sort Z to A. So A to Z means increasing order and Z to A means decreasing order. So now you will apply A to Z. Then you can see here your data will be arranged in the alphabetical order, means at first A will be there, after that B, C, D, like this. See, A, B, J, K, S. Now if you want to keep it in the decreasing order, so in same way you can click the sort and filter and select the sort Z to A. So you can arrange like this. And another way of sorting data, you can use data tab. Click the data tab. In the data tab you will get a sort option, and even from here also you can arrange data A to Z and Z to A. So here I am applying sorting option only on the name field. Name field means on the name heading. It means only I am arranging here the name. So according to the arrangement, percentage will be changed.